Michelle. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, good. So you came and saw Teresa and I for your driving lessons
Yeah.
from Paralawi Way. That's good. And would you like to share with the other students what you went through and what you enjoyed?
Oh well, we went through all these the maneuvers and all the road rules that I have to maintain within
Yeah,
the test,
yeah,
and so that I could achieve a pass.
That's
with,
right.
Yeah, with once.
yeah.
Yep.
First
Once
time.
attempt, yep.
Did you have any lessons somewhere else before?
No.
Just here with
Yeah,
us.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Why did you choose us?
Well, first, I was kind of, I liked it because like I had to come up to the Port Adelaide
Yeah,
and then drive in the Port Adelaide so that I can get used to Port Adelaide.
driving.
Since
Yeah,
it's like it's a new area for me,
yeah.
and I was able to know like the road rules within
Yeah.
this area, and
But it's for everywhere, isn't it?
yeah, for everywhere. Yeah, obviously,
And-
yeah, it is.
And did you find it comfortable?
Yeah, it was really comfortable.
Good.
He was helping me a lot, and Tricia as well. Yeah, they're encouraging me to
Good.
do properly.
Excellent. Well, you've been a joy to have as a student. You've got a very high score, which I expected by the way you were driving and learning so easily and well. You've certainly shown that you're a very good driver and a very safe one. So congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Happy driving.
Thank you.
See
Thanks
ya.
for your help.
You're welcome.